Welcome back, curious minds! Do you know what animal has a nose made up of 22 tentacles? Or what the largest monkey on Earth is? If you're ready to test your knowledge, you're in for a wild ride. Hit subscribe so you never miss a Mind Games challenge, and let's jump right into it. What animal has a name that means little thief, referring to its love of stealing and hiding away small items? Ferrets. What meat-eating marsupial would you find living in Tasmania? They are famous for their pitch-black fur, foul odor when stressed, and an incredibly loud, terrifying screech. Tasmanian devils. What animal is known for its bandit mask appearance and its love of foraging in trash cans for food? Raccoons. What animal loves to burrow and create underground tunnel systems called warrens? Rabbits. What is this animal called? This South American rodent looks like a mix between a large guinea pig and a paca. Oca, also known as the mountain paca, they are excellent swimmers and flee into the water when threatened. What animal has about 30,000 sharp quills it uses as defense against predators? Porcupines. What ape is known to build high treetop beds out of branches and leaves? Their name means person of the forest in Malay, and they are famous for their shaggy red hair. Orangutans. What animal is famous for its ability to play dead? Opossums. They have an involuntary physical reaction to fear that shuts down their body. Blue whales are the largest animals ever known to have lived on Earth. True or false? True. Blue whales can weigh up to 200 tons, and their tongue alone can weigh as much as an entire elephant. What is this animal called? It is one of the very few living mammals capable of delivering a toxic, venomous bite. Solenodon. What animal is known for standing upright outside its burrow to keep a watchful eye for predators? These small desert sentinels live in large family groups called mobs or clans in southern Africa. Meerkats. What animal, known for its elegant jumps and fast running? They perform a high-leaping behavior called stotting to show predators how strong and fast they are. Gazelles. What type of bat is known for its diet of fruits, nectar, and flowers? They are vital to the ecosystem because they pollinate plants and disperse seeds across long distances. Fruit bats. Which animal is symbolized by the Democratic Party in the United States? This long-eared beast of burden was first used as a political cartoon symbol by Thomas Nast. Donkeys. What is this animal called? They roam the harsh steppes of Central Asia, and their unique snout acts as an internal air filter. Saiga antelope. Which North American mammal is often referred to as a prairie wolf? Coyotes? Which big cat has a flexible spine that helps it stretch its body while running at high speeds? During a high-speed chase, their flexible spine allows them to take strides up to 22 feet long. Cheetahs? Bats are birds because they have wings and the ability to fly? True or false? False. Bats are actually the only mammals capable of true and sustained flight. Which animal can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just a few seconds? They are the fastest land animals and have distinct black tear tracks running down their faces. Cheetahs! What is this animal called? These highly social South and Central American animals travel through the jungle in large groups called bands. The ring-tailed cat. What mammal has a bill? Platypus. Male platypuses have venomous spurs on their hind legs that can cause severe pain to humans. What is the smallest animal in North America? This tiny mammal weighs less than a dime and has to eat constantly just to stay alive. American pygmy shrew. What animal secretes a yellow substance called civet? These cat-like nocturnal mammals are famous for their role in producing the world's most expensive coffee. Civet. What animal can turn its feet backwards to help run along branches and trees? Also known as honey bears, these golden-furred rainforest mammals have fully prehensile tails. Kinkajous. What is this animal called? They have a strong prehensile tail and a sticky tongue used to rip open arboreal termite nests. Tamandua. Which soft-furred rodent is known for taking dust baths? Their fur is so incredibly dense that getting wet can cause dangerous mold to grow on them. Chinchilla. Owls can rotate their heads up to 270 degrees without breaking blood vessels. True or false? True. Owls have 14 neck vertebrae, twice as many as humans. What animal has become iconic due to its love of hot spring bathing? These Japanese macaques live in snowy regions and love to soak together in thermal pools. Snow monkeys. What animal can drink up to 100 liters of water in one sitting? They are known as the ships of the desert and store fat reserves in their humps. Camels. What rat does not sweat? They live in desert environments and hop around on long back legs to escape predators. Kangaroo rat. What animal has a name that roughly means nose horn? Their horns are made of the exact same material as human hair and fingernails. Rhinos. What animal has the longest tail? Their towering necks help them eat leaves from the tallest acacia trees. Giraffes. Their tails can grow up to 8 feet long. What is the world's most dangerous land mammal to humans? These massive, aggressive river dwellers spend most of their days cooling off in African waters. Hippopotamus. What is the largest marsupial on Earth? Red kangaroo. A newborn red kangaroo is only the size of a jelly bean when it crawls into the pouch. What animal has a nose made up of 22 tentacles? They live underground and use their weird pink snout to feel for food in total darkness. Star-nosed mole. Shallows-dwelling flamingos are born with bright pink feathers due to genetic traits passed down from their parents. True or false? False. Flamingos are born gray or white. Which mammal uses its nose as a snorkel while it swims underwater? They look like a mix between a pig and an elephant and live in jungle rivers. Tapirs. Which mammal has poisonous elbows and can produce a toxic secretion from its elbows? They are the only known venomous primates in the entire world. Slow lories. What animal has its male and female forms both grow antlers? They are famous for pulling Santa's sleigh across the night sky. Reindeer. What bear has dark black skin underneath its fur? They live in the Arctic and their white-looking fur is actually translucent. Polar bear. What animal in a group is called a sounder? A sounder is typically made up of adult females and their young offspring. Wild boar. Which African mammal has the females do the hunting? Their social family groups are officially called prides. Lions. What mammal has the largest eyes in relation to its body size? Each of their eyes is actually heavier than their entire brain. Tarsiers. What is the largest monkey on Earth? Mandrill. Male mandrills can weigh up to 80 pounds, making them twice as heavy as females. Honeybees can recognize human faces and remember them for their entire lives? True or false? True. Honeybees use a process called holistic processing, the same way humans do, to piecing together facial features like eyes, nose, and mouth. That's all for today's Mind Games. Did any of those mind-blowing animal facts catch you completely off guard? Make sure to hit that subscribe button and stick around. Our next quiz is going to be even more insane. Until next time.